Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Linden, Houston. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the best way to make a ginger tea. So stay tuned. Here I have a ginger. Just going to give it a wash, take the skin off. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going to take the skin off. Ginger have a lot of health benefit. It's good for arthritis, good for cold, good for help building up your immune system. So I'm gonna grate this inside it. This is like my mom old time recipe when I was young. She would grate this for me, boil it, give us a drink. Sometimes she put a bit of brown sugar in it or honey, but it's personal preference. But to get the best benefit from this, don't add any sugar or honey. Just drink this on empty stomach. So I'm just going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down. So it started to boil. Now I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to cover it a bit and let it sit. The thing is, when I was young, my father normally plant ginger, and I'm drinking it and don't know how much benefit this ginger have. Because when you look at this, look a bit funny, look like a bit of arrowroot, but it's good for nausea. It's even good for pregnant woman, good for bloating, it's good for gas. But you can do your own research because it's there out there. It's good for your cell, good for immunity. You can use it for cooking, use it for medicine. You can drink it even at night. So it's a very good and healthy plant. So guys, make sure you use it at good advantage and you benefit. Now I'm gonna get my cup. Now it's ready, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it off in this. Look at that. So strain it off there. And I will strain it off on another time. there you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. Nice, fresh ginger tea. Let me take a cup of sup out of it. I can feel that. Wow. Nice and hot. There it is, guys. That's the best way how to make your ginger tea. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and share, and leave positive comment. And stay tuned. I have a couple more videos I have to make on beverages and some lovely drinks and juices. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace be unto you all.